And some fabulous ordering and options too. Happy.
I have to say my
Okay,
line
say your
before
line
you start
first.
singing, dear.
Okay. 12C has sunshine views and a big storage bin. That's free too.
But Amelia, it has double amenities and a swimming pool too.
A swimming pool? Well, that's pretty cool.
I think that may rhyme.
12C is a unicorn, a rare value in an amenity-filled glass curtain luxury full-service condo under $1,600 a square foot, and it's in move-in condition. Prime location, easy access to transportation. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath has open east views with double amenities, including a 50-foot lap pool. The living room and both bedrooms have incredible skyline views, and the primary bedroom even has a bonus corner window too.
Amelia, don't forget the bonus window in the closet so you can really see those fabulous clothes. Calling all chefs, look how beautifully designed this kitchen is, with Viking stainless appliances, including a Viking wine fridge, a dual fuel range with a rare vented hood, glass tile backsplash, stone slab counters, an abundance of natural light with this wall of glass windows.
And some fabulous ordering and options too.
With a unique pocket door for those surprise birthday moments.
Happy birthday to you. Thanks, Andrew. I really like the spa feel of these stunning bathrooms, which both have deep soaking tubs. There is a glass shower, and everything is topped off with iconic Waterworks fixtures.
Plus, there are oversized custom outfitted closets everywhere. Lovely wood floors and central air conditioning too. But the most important feature, of course, is this full-size washer-dryer.
Plus, right out your door is easy transportation, bookended between 250 acres of Riverside Park with the Hudson River and 800 acres of Central Park.
The finest restaurants including Dagon Mediterranean, Gennaro Italian, Kuzan Sushi, and Granola Comfort Bar, Whole Foods Shopping Center, Trader Joe's, Van Leeuwen Ice Cream that just opened too. If you'd like a private appointment to see this rare 2-bedroom condo,
Located off West End Avenue and 99th Street at 245 West 99th Street.
give us a call or drop us an email.
I'm Amelia Gewertz.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.